Welcome back to this Fantaskool training tutorial. In this video, we will guide teachers and school administrators on how to quickly snap a mark sheet using a phone and import it into Fantaskool using the AI scan feature without spending hours manually keying in marks. Let's get started. To use the AI scan feature, first log in to your Fantaskool account. Once you are directed to your dashboard, navigate to the sidebar menu and click on Results. A list of subjects associated with your classes will appear. Select the subject for which you would like to record marks. For example, let's choose Mathematics for Form 1A. Click on the subject, then select Record Marks. The mark sheet for the selected term will open. In this example, we are working with the first term mark sheet. Instead of manually entering each student's score, you can save time by using the AI scan feature. Click on the Options button, then select AI scan. A new window will appear prompting you to upload an image of the mark sheet. You can upload a photo taken with your phone or select an image saved on your computer. Once the image is uploaded, you may provide additional instructions if necessary, although this step is optional. Next, click on Scan and Fill. Within seconds, Fantaskool's AI will analyze the uploaded mark sheet, automatically extract the scores, and populate the system accordingly. The marks are saved automatically once processed. However, for added assurance, you may also click the Save button manually. If your mark sheet spans multiple pages, simply repeat the process by uploading each sheet one after the other. The AI will continue scanning and filling the marks accurately based on each uploaded document. This feature significantly reduces administrative workload, minimizes errors, and allows teachers and school administrators to focus more on teaching rather than data entry. Fantaskool makes results management faster, smarter, and more efficient with AI-powered automation. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned for more Fantaskool training sessions.